Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Umkhonto weSizwe Party has shocked many by winning in Rustenburg, Ward 45. Ward 45 was won by Uthabiso Molefe in another ward in Moretele that was won by the ANC with 58%. MK was number 2, beating EFF, which got 17%.
Northwest. So, comrade, President Jacob Zuma, for this organization, because of one thing,
cha injalo engane zakwethu uvele waqoqa washaya konke wababhaqabula ngendlela okwenzeke ngayo. Mina bengiqala ukuthi ngibone imeya ube yinqondo umeya laba babala ube yinqondo ube party agent umeya party agent bekokuqala ngibona leyo nto leyo. Waphinde wazobala waphinde wabakuleli thimba elibala amavoti intambama bekokuqala simbhaqabule bala amavoti enjalo. Umkhonto angiwazi mina ugwaza ngenye indlela enzima kakhulu. Umeya wakhona lapha ubebhize ephithiza samshaya kunjalo. Lokho kukhombisa ukuthi singabantu
uyaqhubeka umkhonto uyagwaza. Congratulations to Councillor Thabiso Molefe on winning Ward 45. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.